Nice to meet you. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account, how to make a deposit, and how to trade Binance Futures, in a simple and easy to follow way. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you sign up through the link below this video, you will receive a lifetime 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various new user bonus rewards. So I highly recommend signing up through the link below this video. First, let's learn how to create a Binance account. Please access Binance through the link below this video. You will then be redirected to the official Binance registration page. On the left side of the screen, you can see that the lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount and various new user bonus rewards have been successfully applied. Let's create a new account. Enter either your email address or your mobile number. Check the box to agree to the terms below. Then click the register button. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Next, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. Once you have completed all the required information, a benefit confirmation screen will appear. If you did not access Binance through the referral link, you will be taken to the inviter code page. The inviter code cannot be added after your account has been created, so be sure to enter it at this step. Click the Yes button on the screen. When the referral ID field appears, enter BB333. You will then receive a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various new user bonus rewards. Once you've completed these steps, your Binance account registration is complete. Next, let's learn how to complete KYC verification. To use features such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, you will need to complete KYC verification. After creating your account, you will be taken to the KYC verification page. First, select your residence. Next, choose the ID you want to use for verification. From the document type options below, select one valid identification document. In this video, we'll use a passport. Once you've made your selection, check all the boxes below. Then click the Continue button. A QR code for KYC verification will appear on the next screen. Scan the QR code using your mobile phone. You'll be redirected to the KYC verification page. Please tap Start Scanning. A camera scanning screen will appear. Position the passport information page inside the guide frame, and take a clear photo without any glare. Once the photo is taken, facial verification will begin immediately. Center your face within the frame, then follow the instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. After completing all verification steps, your KYC application will be submitted automatically. The KYC review process usually takes about 1 hour. And once your application is approved, your KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, let's learn how to set up two-factor authentication. To better protect your Binance account, I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication. Click the profile icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Then click Account from the left menu, and select Security. You will see a list of available security methods. Most users choose the Authenticator app, as it provides the strongest security. Click the Manage button next to Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your email or mobile number. Enter the verification code to complete the verification. An Authenticator link pop-up window will appear. Now search for Google Authenticator on your mobile device and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner of the app. Then select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanner opens, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Your Binance account will then be added to the Google Authenticator app, and a 6-digit code will be generated. This code changes approximately every minute, so make sure to check it carefully. Return to your PC and click the Next button. When the Authenticator app code field appears, enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator will then be successfully linked, and your Binance two-factor authentication setup will be complete. Second, let's learn how to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance. There are several ways to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance, but in today's video we'll use the on-chain deposit method. First, move your mouse over the wallet icon in the upper right corner. A list of different wallet types will appear. Spot is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. And Futures is used for futures trading. First, click Spot to deposit your cryptocurrency. Next, click Deposit in the upper right corner. Then choose Deposit Crypto. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Most people use USDT, because it has low fees and fast transfer speeds. Next, select the network. Most users choose TRX, because it offers low fees and fast transfers. A deposit address for the selected cryptocurrency will then be generated. Copy the generated deposit address. Now go to the exchange where your cryptocurrency is currently stored. Most users use Coinbase or Kraken. On that exchange, move your mouse over Assets. Then click Funding or Spot. Next, click Withdraw in the upper right corner. First, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Make sure the cryptocurrency you choose is the same one you selected on Binance. Next, select the chain type. The chain type must also match the network you selected on Binance. Now enter the wallet address. Paste the deposit address you copied from Binance earlier. Then enter the withdrawal amount. And click the Confirm button. After a short while, your cryptocurrency will be successfully deposited into your Binance Spot wallet. Third, let's learn how to trade Binance Futures. Before you start futures trading on Binance, you first need to transfer your cryptocurrency from your Spot wallet to your Futures wallet. Go to your Spot wallet first. Then click Transfer in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from Fiat and Spot to USD and Futures. Next, select the cryptocurrency and enter the amount you want to transfer. Once everything is set, click Confirm. Your cryptocurrency will then be transferred to your Futures wallet. Now, to start futures trading, move your mouse over Futures in the top menu. Then click USD Futures. You will be taken to the futures trading page. First, click the Coin Selection button in the upper left corner, and you'll see a list of available trading pairs. On the order panel on the right, you can configure your futures trade in detail. First, click this button to choose the margin mode. Cross uses your entire available margin balance to support your position, while Isolated uses only the margin allocated to that position. For beginners, I recommend using Isolated mode because it's easier to manage risk. Click the button next to it to set your leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. However, while higher leverage can increase your profits, it also increases your potential losses and liquidation risk. So beginners should start with a lower leverage. Here you can select the order type. Limit lets you place an order at your chosen price, while Market executes your order immediately at the current market price. Your available margin is displayed below. Here you can set your order price and quantity. Finally, use this button to choose your position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Buy Long. If you expect the price to fall, select Sell Short. Once you've selected the position direction, your order will be executed shortly. Click the Positions tab below to view the current status of your open position. Entry price is the price at which your position was opened. Mark price shows the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price. If the market reaches this price, your position will be liquidated automatically, so make sure to monitor it carefully. P&L shows your current profit and loss. Click the pencil icon under TPSL for position, to set your take profit and stop loss levels for better risk management. Finally, click the button under Market Close All to close your position. Market closes your position immediately at the current market price, while Limit closes your position at your specified price. Once you choose the closing method, your position will be closed successfully. In today's video, we covered how to create a Binance account, how to make a deposit, and how to trade Binance Futures in a simple and easy way. If you found anything difficult or have any questions while watching, please leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. If you found this video helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and giving this video a like. Thank you for watching.